Center Southwest 1380, flight level 300 for 380.
Southwest 1380, New York, hello. Southwest 1380, clear distance, CINSE. Oh, you know what, you don't, clear distance, CINSE. Southwest 1380, New York. Southwest 1380, if you're trying to get me, all I hear is static.
Southwest 1380 has an engine fire descending.
Southwest 1380, you're descending right now?
Yes, sir, we're single engine descending, have a fire number 1.
Alright, Southwest 1380, okay, where would you like to go to? Which airport?
Give us a vector for your closest.
Okay.
Philadelphia.
We're just flying 250.
Okay, heading 250. We're looking at Philly. That's
Southwest 1380, roger, and stand by. Southwest 1380 to the Philadelphia airport, direct.
Direct, Philadelphia direct, Southwest 1480.
Southwest 1380, do you have traffic just below you?
say again for Southwest 1380.
Southwest 1380, New York.
Southwest 1380, go ahead.
Southwest 1380, understand, so there's a fire, you're a single engine because of fire?
Actually, we're no fire now, but we are single engine.
Okay, you are single engine now, okay. So the facility, I guess it's, can you maintain 1110,000?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 1380 is going to maintain 1110,000.
Okay, down to 11,000.
Southwest 1380, just so I can understand, you said that you are still single engine and what else?
Okay, Southwest 1380, we're single engine. That's it.
Okay, single engine. Maintain 1110,000, you need anything standing by on the truck?
Yes, if you would, have them roll the trucks. It's on the engine number 1, captain's side.
Okay, thank you. Southwest 1380, contact New York Center 135.45.
3545, good day.
Southwest 1458, you can expect an extended downwind. We have another fellow company airplane coming in that has an emergency that's pretty serious, so we're going to dump him in front of you.
No problem. We're running early, so do what you got to do, 14 and 15.
Hey, join Erie there, maintain 170 knots, please. I'm going to slow you down.
Okay, Erie, 170 on the speed, Southwest 1458.
American 585, also emergency for you, being landing in front of you there, so reduce speed to 170, get you right in as soon as you can.
Phone 170, American 585, no problem.
Denver 3625, Philly approach. Altimeter's 2974, expect the ILS 27 right, or, yeah, let's do 27 right, and you can maybe expect some delay vectors, so we have an emergency landing with a possible engine fire.
Copy that, envoy 3625.
For right now, I need to keep you at your speed because you're not in my space, but once you hit Cedar Lake, go ahead and pull back to 190 knots and then depart Cedar Lake on a 330 heading.
Cedar Lake, 330, 170 speed, envoy 3620, 190 speed, envoy 3625.
190 is correct, yes.
We need a single channel, no more channel switching.
Plus 1380, you're on approach frequency 128.4, you're where you should be, maintain 4,000, and do you need any further assistance from me? What type of final do you want? I heard short. Or long?
Yeah, we're going to need a long final.
Okay, I'm going to let you drive until you tell me you want to turn base, okay? So that'll be at least a 25-mile final. Longer than that, I'll have to do some coordination, but that'll be fine. We'll get that done for you. You let me know when you want to come in.
Okay, 20 is good, and we may need shorter here in a moment. Tell me the runway we're setting up for.
We're going to set up for
Say again?
Southwest 1380, you'll be landing 27 left today, and you just let me know when you need to turn base. Right now I only have one person in front of you, which is a Southwest, but I'm sure he'll pull off if you need to go right in.
Southwest 1458, we got...
Okay.
Southwest 1458, clear visual approach 27 right, keep your speed up. I'd like to get you on the ground before I have to turn her base.
After that, speed up, clear base, shield, 27 right.
Okay, center.
Southwest 1380. 1380, I got a 1458 on frequency. I just cleared him for the approach. Southwest 1380. I understand your emergency. Let me know when you want to go in.
Yeah, we have a part of the aircraft missing, so we're going to need to slow down a bit.
Southwest 1380, speed is your discretion. Maintain at any altitude above 3,000 feet, and you let me know when you want to turn base.
All right. Down to 3,000. 210 on the speed.
Absolutely. You just let me know anything you need.
Sure, we'll let you know when he's on a 5-mile final.
Southwest 1458, give me a best forward speed, please, and tower's 18.5.
That's already 14.
Southwest 1380, like to start turning inbound.
Foxtrot 21, ETA probably about 6-7 minutes. Stand by. The number one engine failure. And it's a Boeing 737, 149 souls on board and 21,000 pounds of fuel.
Southwest 1380, just start turning southbound there. There's a Southwest 737 on a 4-mile final. We'll be turning southbound. Start looking for the airport. It's off to your right and slightly behind you there. And altitude is your discretion. Use caution for the downtown area. Advise you maintain at above 2,200 for the MVA.
Okay, could you have the medical meet us there on the runway as well? We've got injured passengers.
Injured passengers, okay. And is your airplane physically on fire?
No, it's not on fire, but part of it's missing. They said there was a hole and someone went out.
I'm sorry, you said there was a hole and somebody went out? Southwest 1380, it doesn't matter. We'll work it out there. So the airport's just off to your right. Report it in sight, please.
In sight. Southwest 1380, airport's in sight.
Southwest 1380, you're cleared visual approach 27 right. Contact the tower on 118.5. Southwest 1380, I'm sorry, cleared visual approach 27 left. 27 left and tower's on 18.5.
We're going on 27 left. Switching tower. Good day.
Tower Southwest 1380, landing on 27 right.
Southwest 1380, you want to land 27 right?
27 left, I'm sorry, 27.
Southwest 1380, runway 27 left, clear to land, wind 280 at 19, gust 25.
27 left to land, Southwest 1380.
Airport 10, there is a hole in this side of the aircraft also.
Copy. There's a hole inside of the aircraft.
And Airport 10 is a short final.
Is he the next one to arrive?
Yes, he is the next one to arrive on about a 2-mile final there.
Copy. City Tower Airport 10, shortest 27 left on Sierra 2.
Airport 10, proceed on 27 left.
Proceed on 27 left.
Southwest 1380, right turn when you're able. You want to stop wherever you need to is fine.
Thank you. We're going to stop right here by the fire truck. Thanks, guys, for the help.
Do you have a frequency for our fire chief?
Southwest 1380, if you go over to 135.1, they'll be there.
1351.
Going to depart Foxtrot 21.
Foxtrot 21 there.
I need to talk to the pilot.
Foxtrot 21, go to tower 11. Correction, he's come over to my frequency now.
This is Captain 772.
Foxtrot 21, that's the captain there. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. I believe Captain's side is where we had the damage, and that's the engine that went out.
Yeah, we're examining damage down on a check for heat source. Is there any injuries inside the aircraft itself? And also, we have no signs of any smoke or fire from the outside right now.
Okay, we do have injured inside, so as soon as we can get those taken care of, that'd be great. All right, we're putting our flaps down just in case, because we did have some smoke initially up here.
Philly Tower, Foxtrot 21.
Foxtrot 21 there.
Can we talk to the pilot again?
Go ahead for Southwest 1380. Southwest 1380 is up on 35-1.
Foxtrot 21, that's the pilot there. Go ahead.
How many injuries do you have on the aircraft?
We're trying to figure it out right now. Stand by.
So we are, man. We're going to have buses come over for you, and we're going to deplane the, and have some paramedics come on and take a look at the patient. Pilot, copy that information.
Say again, for pilot.
Truck coming over, and we're going to board the plane and take a look at the passengers. And we're going to have the buses come over with the plane.
Okay, board on the forward for entry door, left-hand side.
Are we able to board on the R1?
We can if you need that, yes.
Everybody waiting to depart 27 left. We have an emergency in progress. It's going to be about 10-15 minutes. Stand by.
This is 1380. We need EMS on board. Is there a way to get them up here?
Foxtrot 21, did you copy that?
Foxtrot 21.
Yeah, they want to know if they can get EMS on board the aircraft there.
We're in the process of bringing EMS on.
Okay, thank you.
8 Tower, Pickard 4488.
4480, go.
Hate to bother you guys, but any word on the delay here because we're kind of tight on gas.
Stand by. We're talking about taking over to 27 right, possibly. Stand by.
Alright.
Alright, attention all aircraft. This frequency plan on departing 27 right. Stand by. Alright, disregard. All aircraft can go ahead and start shutting down. Be on 4876, Brickyard 4485, Foxtrot Charlie 1913. Be on 4988, be on 4940, Blue Streak 5547, Envoy 3916, Delta 1274. Go ahead and shut down. It's going to be a good 15 minutes. We're not moving anybody on the airport right now.
Is it still planning 27 right?
No, not right now. Not moving any aircraft. Trying not to move any aircraft on the field right now, and we got passengers deplaning on the field.